How to add a payment method on Domino's Pizza. To add payment method on Domino's Pizza, you can typically do so while placing an order online or through the app. So you could go ahead and then basically open up your Domino's Pizza application. If you haven't already, you can also basically log into your account. Now you can simply start an order. So you can go to your delivery, you can select your address and so on, and just allow the permissions. And once you've placed your order and then you go to the checkout page, on the checkout page you'll be able to add a payment method. So there will be different type of payment method like credit, debit card, or even cash on delivery. Depending on what is your choice, you can select that and enter the payment details. This way you can basically add a payment method or basically change it for your Domino's Pizza account. I hope the video helped you out, and if you have any questions, feel free to leave them down in the comment section below. As always, thanks for watching till the very end of the tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.